We are following some breaking news for you this half hour. Some drone footage on your screen here showing emergency crews on the scene of a deadly helicopter crash in Madison County. We are told there are no survivors. This happened on Highway 53 and Burwell Road, northwest of Huntsville. And that's where we start. News 19 at 6. I'm Emily Forrester.
And I'm Greg Screws. And we've now learned that this is a military helicopter, specifically a UH-60 or a Black Hawk, as most of you have heard if you're familiar with it. It belongs to the Tennessee National Guard, but right now we do not know how many people were on board. This crash led to Highway 53 being closed for several hours, causing traffic jams, as you can imagine. And right now, the Madison County Sheriff's Office says everything south of Highway 53 to Jeff Road is closed, and between Douglas Road and Highway 53, that's closed as well. News 19's Deidre Briscoe is on the scene for us now with the latest on this. Deidre.
That's right, guys. There are a lot of emergency vehicles still here on the scene of this deadly helicopter crash. Emergency officials have kept us a good bit away as they continue to work the scene. Now, there are a lot of factors surrounding this helicopter crash that we just don't know. What we know is this helicopter crash was reported around 3 this afternoon at Highway 53 and Burwell Road. HMZ officials tell us there are no survivors, but it is not clear at this point how many people may have been on board. The Madison County coroner tells us he has been called to the scene. We also know this involves a military aircraft. Pentagon officials confirmed to CBS News this helicopter was a part of a training mission with the Tennessee National Guard. We have not been able to confirm where it departed or where it was headed. The Alabama Law Enforcement Agency is assisting in this investigation. Again, there are still a lot of questions surrounding this helicopter crash. We've reached out to different agencies to try to get more information. Right now, there's no word on how long Highway 53 will be shut down. So it may be a long drive home as you try to navigate around the detours. We will keep you up to date on News 19 at 6:30. For now, live in Madison County, Deidre Briscoe, News 19.